Alright, so the samurai helmet is finished. As you know, I'm working on a couple new prints, but I found something else that in the meantime I can add into my collection that's super amazing, and I know you guys are going to like it as well. Smashing! So these are the Wolverine claws. I don't think that the actual claws are retractable, but it's pretty cool that they give you the actual glove and the forearm piece and the blades themselves. And since it's from DL3D, I know everything is going to snap right into place. But of course, there's one thing that's going to slow us down. I don't have a scan of my arm. I do have a scan with this big noggin, but not on my arm. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to say use Armorsmith, but that's something that you have to pay for, and I don't think everybody wants to do that. So I'm going to show you guys how to use a free app so that way you can get scans of your head, scans of your body, so on and so forth, so that way you can start making 3D prints right away. I'm stuck in the screen. No, I'm just playing. Welcome to Scandy Pro. This is a free app. Just keep in mind, you do have to have an iPhone. I believe it's some iPhone X's, but I believe that they did an update where more iPhones can actually be used. So once you download everything, you'll just navigate through this menu. It gives you like a basic tutorial, step by step, if this is your first time, of how to use the app. So that way it's a little bit easier to navigate for you, but it's pretty simple to get through everything. Once you've gone through their mini tutorial, at the bottom you'll see create scan, where you'll be able to start everything and get the magic started. I would highly recommend a phone stand so that way this doesn't shake. But what you basically want to do is stay within the parameters of the camera and rotate within it. So if this is going to be like your head, obviously you want to keep it on selfie mode, keep your face within the portion of the screen. And basically it's very challenging, but you want to rotate in a circle with like kind of not moving. That's why it's best to have an extra partner to help you with this. But if you don't, this is why I mentioned having the phone stand, so that way everything stays still and at least on the same plane. Once you're done with the scan, it's going to give you this little cutout here. Now, editing this used to be a lot easier, but they made like a couple different upgrades to the site. So of course I only want my arm. I don't want all that goo that was in the background. So I'll show you how to take this all out. I also made this scan of my hand just so I can measure out everything for the gloves as well. So you'll see the section where it says edit and then crop. And this is where it gets a little challenging. You basically have to rotate the model so that the portion that you don't want is under that red line. It gets a little bit weird moving it, as you can see, but twiddling it with it for a little while, you'll get it. And that's like the main challenging part of it. So as you see, I got that under the red line, deleted it. And now I just have the scan of the file that I actually want. From there, it's a lot simpler. You just hit the export button that'll be in the top right. Make sure you save this as an STL file and the scale to millimeters, because that's basically what you're using whenever you're using Cura or any of your other slicers. Now, yes, it does say one free scan a week, but I'm pretty sure if you just need a scan of your head or one body part, that should be more than enough. You should be good from there. After sending that file over, I just sent this into Cura, open up the scale or open up the file of the actual wrist, and as you can see, bling bling, this is gonna work. So I do hope that video helped you out. Now, you can use other methods to scale. You can use measuring tape. You can actually buy Armorsmith. There are other Scanniverse is another app that you can use. Scandy Pro is just what I've used. It's what I like. It's quick, it's easy. It answers my questions quickly. Stay tuned for the full build. Definitely hit the like and subscribe button. Besides that, it's BZ Comics. Peace.